Now the 22 News Storm Team forecast.
And good Thursday morning. Time now is 4:48. Temperatures out there in the teens and low 20s for a lot of us, but there is a noticeable breeze. You can see the flags here moving out of the west and northwest and west field for now. Also, Chicopee not looking too bad. We got a clear sky overhead. We're going to see a lot of sun for today. The wind out there will continue to diminish slowly through the morning. It's still going to be a little breezy out there during the afternoon, but definitely not as windy as what we saw yesterday. 17 miles per hour currently there in Springfield and Westfield, 9 miles per hour at the moment in Orange. Air temperature is 19 in Northampton, 18 in Greenfield, or 20 degrees currently in downtown Springfield. You factor in the wind, though, and it feels like it's 6 degrees in Springfield. 6 also there in Orange, 5 degrees is the wind chill in Greenfield, also in Westfield. As we go throughout the day, these temperatures are definitely going to be a lot colder than yesterday as well. We saw some temperatures climb into the mid to even some upper 40s yesterday. We're only going to be staying in the upper 20s to near 30 for today, but we'll see again a lot of sun. So expect a very bright day, and that is the top of the 22 Storm Team forecast focus. Enjoy the nice sunny sky today, because tomorrow you're really not going to see much of any sun. We do have another system on the way that's going to bring us, as I mentioned, mostly rain here in the valley. But once you get in the hill towns and the Berkshires, it could be more of a wintry mix of some rain, ice, and some snow. But for us here in the valley, again, this looks to be mostly rain. Going into the weekend, we're bright on Saturday, and then a few flurries are possible during the afternoon on Sunday. So right now it is dry. Taking a wider view on clouds radar, you can see most of the regions fine. We'll see, again, a lot of sun once the sun comes up on the 22 Storm Team Skycast. I'll go through today pretty quick, because there's really not much to show you for today. 7 a.m. towards 9 a.m., you can see a bright sunny sky continuing into the afternoon. 3 p.m. here, not really a cloud being shown. And then as we go into the evening, we're still pretty much clear for the evening commute, 6 p.m. here. As we go into the overnight, we'll start to see some more of these high, thin clouds starting to mix in and start to build as we go towards tomorrow morning. And then by around 8, 9 o'clock, we'll start to see our first round of some rain showers. Again, this is for Friday tomorrow. And then as we go into the afternoon, so still some scattered showers, but it's, I think during the middle and late afternoon tomorrow that we start to bring in some of the more steadier rain. Here we are, 4 p.m. on Friday. You can start to see some of these yellows and darker greens showing up, indicating some of that steadier rain. But as I mentioned, in the Berkshires and some of the hill towns and along the Vermont state line tomorrow evening, this could flip over to a little bit of some ice and a little bit of some snow, but you can still see it's mostly just plain rain for much of the valley. And then we do actually see a few flurries or some snow showers as we go into the overnight. Some cold air rushes back in, but as I mentioned, this looks to be mostly rain for us here in the Connecticut River Valley. So 26 to 30 degrees, the high temperature for today. We're going to fall back into the teens and 20s through tonight. We'll slowly see some increasing clouds. And for the rest of the 22 Storm Team 7-day forecast, tomorrow looks to be, again, mostly rain in the valley with a mix in the hill towns and the Berkshires, temperatures in the upper 30s and low 40s. Saturday looks to be a nice day, lots of sun, temperatures in the low 30s there. For Sunday, most of the day should be fine, a few flurries or snow showers in the afternoon possible. And then heading into next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday all look dry, and temperatures in the 30s and also some 40s. If you want to check out our latest forecast, you could do so by getting the free 22 News mobile app.